Now, class, let's start with the topic profit or loss as a percentage. So, let us consider an example given here. The cost price is rupees 72, the selling price is rupees 80, the profit is 8 rupees. Find the percentage of profit. So, there are ways how to finding it out. So the cost price is rupees 72. What is the original amount? 72. What is the difference between the original amount and the current amount? That is, the selling price is the current amount and the original amount is 80 rupees is the current amount and 72 is the original amount. So 80 minus 72 is rupees 8. So the difference is rupees 8 and the original amount is 72 into 100. So we are finding out profit out of 100 rupees. Right? That's why we are finding it out in percentage. We know what is percentage. Percentage is finding out a number out of 100. What we need to find out first is finally we need to find out of 72 कितने पैसों का प्रॉफिट हुआ. आउट ऑफ 72 हमें कितने रुपए का प्रॉफिट हुआ. बट हम वो कैसे फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ परसेंटेज. परसेंटेज का मतलब क्या होता है? वी आर फाइंडिंग इट आउट कि आउट ऑफ 100 रुपीज़ कितना प्रॉफिट होगा. दैट इज आउट ऑफ 100 रुपीज़. अगर हमने 100 रुपीज़ का चीज़ खरीदा है और उस पर हमने 8 रुपए का फ़ायदा किया है तो सेलिंग प्राइस इज़ व्हाट? 108. तो 8 रुपए का फ़ायदा कितना परसेंट लाता है? 11 and 1/9%. राइट? 8 रुपए का फ़ायदा आउट ऑफ 100 रुपीज़ will make 11 and 1/9%. Now see, suppose the cost price is 120 and the selling price is rupees 100. So there is loss. Selling price is less than the cost price. How much loss? 20 rupees. So this is the difference. 20 rupees is the difference. Divided by the original amount, that is 120 into 100. 16 and 2/3 loss. Right? 16 and 2/3% is the loss. Now, remember whether we are calculating the profit or loss out of 100 rupees or out of 72, it is going to be same. 11 and 1/9 is out of 72 rupees also and it is out of 100 rupees also. Now, this is one way how we are calculating. This is another way. The formula which I am going to provide you, gain or profit percent equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Right? Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. So profit is 8 rupees, cost price is 72 into 100. Again it comes to 11 and 1/9. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price. See, यहाँ पे profit upon cost price मतलब profit क्या है? Difference between selling price and cost price, and the denominator is the original amount, cost price, which we are doing it here. And in loss, again the difference between the cost price and selling price divided by the cost price, which is the original amount. Same thing, only thing is, the formula we are putting is in a different way, but we are putting it same number we are putting. Now example number 18. Cost of flower vases 120. So cost price is 120. The shopkeeper is selling it at a loss of 10%. 10% of 120 is how much? See here, this method. 10% of 120. I have told you, if we are calculating how much out of percentage, we always divide the number by 100. So 10 upon 100 into 120 comes to 12 rupees. So 12 rupees is the loss incurred. So finally, at what price has he sold? 120 minus 12 because it was loss. So cost price से 12 rupees minus होगा, it comes to 108. Now we have just read there is another formula that selling price would be what? Selling price minus 10. रुपीज़ 10 का लॉस किया है उसने. सो सपोज अगर 100 रुपीज़ में उसने बेचा, सॉरी 100 रुपीज़ में उसने, हाँ 100 रुपीज़ में बेचा और 10 रुपये का उसको लॉस हुआ. सॉरी, माई मिस्टेक, पार्डन मी. अगर 100 रुपीज़ का कॉस्ट प्राइस है, उसने 10 रुपये के लॉस में बेचा. सो द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज़ ₹100. 10 रुपये के लॉस में बेचा तो 100 माइनस 10, 90 रुपीज़ में उसने बेचा. तो द सेलिंग प्राइस इज 90. एंड एज वी नो दैट सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 90 divided by 100 into 120, which is equal to ₹108. Both the methods are correct, but you need to select which one you are finding is easier. Now, example number 19. Selling price of a toy car is ₹540. If the profit made by the shopkeeper is 20%, what is the cost price of this toy?